Everybody is talking about the grace of favor, but I want to talk about the grace for speed. Remember? Hallelujah, Jesus. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, Jesus. Remember, Apostle always tells us, he says, these are not cunning devised fables. Earlier, remember when he said, there are people that can be in ministry for 20 years, and you can have someone who is submitted to transformation in 1 year and overtake the person in 20 years. Listen. I now have 2 businesses.